Hey guys, so I decided to do another cleaning video just because it's kind of been my thing lately to watch. Um, I just, I don't know. They're like therapeutic or something to me. So today, I've already kind of started, but it was just like a little bit. So we're having people over later today for the Seahawks game. Go Seahawks! And I know that they don't come to my room, but like, it's bad. So after Christmas, and then we had people over for New Year's and all this, like, and then Dom was sick. So we just haven't caught up on laundry, and then I started catching up on laundry on my day off, and I have so much to fold, and I need to clean my closet and clean my bathroom, and we took down the Christmas decorations, but they haven't gone back up in the attic, so like I just can't take it anymore. Today's Saturday, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning, I think. So I'm just gonna show you guys like a clean with me. Hopefully this one will be better. Let me know if you would like to hear like some voiceovers, or if you just want to hear music, or like what you want to do. I am watching a cleaning video while I'm gonna be cleaning. I have a little helper. That's my dirty clothes. And so I'll give you guys a little tour of my dirty room. Don't judge, but I feel like the ones that I like the best are the ones that are actually like actually dirty. So I'm gonna open up the window so it's still dark outside, so that it gets a little bit brighter. But okay, let me show you some messy stuff. Hold on. So there's my little one playing with my shoes that were on there. I recently just went through my scrubs and saw which ones started to fit better. So I need to organize my closet. That was a game that the little one was trying to play with that is actually his brother's. And then this is my messy bathroom. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Oops. So yeah, this is my messy bathroom. And then, oh, don't forget the coffee. Dom's playing with his Bowser in my closet with his bath toys. And then dirty clothes. Piles. My desk is ridiculous. I'm studying for my boards again. Chew. These are all clean clothes that I've been putting on. We had to wash the bedding and stuff because Dom got sick and got sick 3 different times. So I also need to clean my carpets, which I'm gonna have to go to my mom's house and get my carpet cleaner back because she was using it. But more clean clothes. Gabe slept in our room on his bed last night. These actually were clean clothes that were on the chair, but somehow ended up on the floor. And then these are all of our Christmas, well, not all, we have some downstairs too. But yeah, and then it needs to go up in the attic. And then my laundry, which is just gonna get worse. And I have more clothes in there. And then the boys' room. I'm gonna have them kind of help me with it because it's like ridiculous. Like, why did all their drawers have to be out? Like, anyways, I'm gonna have the boys help. Pick up. Hi, Connor. Hi, baby. There's one of them right now. Anyways, so we're gonna get to cleaning. Be careful running up and down the stairs with Gunner. Sometimes he doesn't stop. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Got the jams.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, Weddy.
Look, come here.
1 minute, please.
Look, Bowser's trapped.
Bowser's trapped.
then you just go ahead and fill up your pot.
Still need to do the top of this. And this has to go upstairs. Those are my... Need to finish